She is queuing it up again. You can't take any more of that. This must be over. Uh-oh, she has trouble coming. Not going to be easy to get out of this.
Uh-oh, she needs to hang on. If she taps out, she will be down a fall. That is an uphill battle from here.
I don't think she can do it. She can't hang on. Not sure why, but she releases the hold.
Well, I think she sensed her opponent was about to break free. Champion jump. Are we about to see it again?
We've seen his survival instincts kick in.
Just throwing their body.
Cena now taking the brunt of the attack.
Look at that. Embracing her adoring public.
She needs to stop saying she's going to bring it and actually deliver on the promise.
Behind that kick.
Just breaking down the opponent. And setting him up. Oh, the knee to the face.
That's going to hurt.
And she's been brought to a disadvantage now.
Yeah, she's on the bad end of every maneuver.
Set up in the corner of the ring.
Cena's just trying to weather the storm.
Up and down with the gutbuster.
No way. Doesn't want to be there. Does not want to be there.
No, this is too far.
I'm not sure I want to watch this.
Close your eyes, Saxton.
Go on. Shattered dreams.
Taking flight.
Big miss right there. Oh, a flurry of strikes.
Locked in by Cena.
Tap out. There it is. She gains the fall. And she gets the fall late in the match. Oh, no. Stun gun. And late in the game, Cena keeps mounting the offense.
Cena knows it's crunch time. The time where the greats come up in the clutch.
Kidneys. And now it looks like she's struggling for air. Continued shots to the core will do that to you. Byron, she has no idea where she is right now.
And I assure you the top... Wait, where's Cena going to go here? What's she going to do? I don't know. Oh, my God. Cena.
No way.
Second rope. Is that going to decide it for Cena?
Trampling the opposition.
And look at this now, yes.